Do you need a good foam rolling technique for your inner thigh, aka your adductor muscles? Well, I'll teach you a good one that you could do for warm-up or cool down. All right, so you're gonna take a foam roller, you're gonna put it on the ground. Then you're gonna get down on the ground with your thigh turned out to make contact with that foam roller. Then put that thigh down on the foam roller, get your forearms into a nice plank position, and then once you're in this position, you're gonna slide back and forth on the ground with pressure on that thigh, pushing into the foam roller. You can do that quick and brisk for a warm-up or nice and long for a cool down. And if you're cooling down, you could dig into that muscle a little bit, flex and extend at the knee, or just move it side to side a little bit to dig into that muscle, breaking up the tension even more. Then when you're done, you'll switch to the other side in order to foam roll your inner thighs on both sides.